Hello, everybody. Hope you are doing well. You all know who is following me or like checking my things. That yesterday we had a bad day and we somehow managed to blow up the account. Lost all my discipline because of some bad trading. So you can see that this one was breached. So then, as I'm doing this challenge, so didn't feel like to show up, but I have to show up and I have to come back and then try these things back again. So this is the thing. So we got 7 minutes left just to quickly tell you. So if you see the what happened yesterday, so I took maximum loss. After all this effort, we did it last 12 days. So in one go, it was slowly we are going. Market condition is difficult. I have to say, like, it doesn't have a follow through. Like if you trading one side, it's not going, it's just stopping somewhere. Like trading like for me it's difficult because I never seen market like this. It's like unreasonable. Like it's like there is no reasoning going on. Like there is no extension. It's happening on the upside. It's slowly going, but not the way the market like supposed to do anyways. So what we did, we practically got another account. So I'll try to do the same thing again. But what happened, like, after this kind of red day, couple of red day comes up as well. So like, I have to be cautious. I have to see, like, what I can do about it. Try to trade from the higher time frame. Yesterday, I noticed that, like I was trading purely from just lower time frame. I was just only trading from 1 minute chart. So like, saw some of the things I did wrong. So hopefully today I'll not do similar kind of things, or I mean, we'll try our best. We don't know. It's profit or loss is not important. It's like, are we doing the process? That's the important things. So yeah, we got. So now we got. If I show you accounts, I'm really sorry for that. So we got this account now. So this is the third account. The first one I did it before the live stream. I did the live stream, okay, like with you guys, like not live stream, like when I'm started YouTube. So this was the second account what I was doing with you. 13 days I traded and then I managed to lose the account. So now today I started this one. Look, already took a loss. So it's all right. It's not a big deal. It's part of the game. So we have to be focused. So let's quickly check the chart, then we'll discuss about these things. So it will be a hard journey, okay? Because now I never, some of the things I'm doing, what I never did it. Let's say live streaming and showing all my result like in front of you. Like it's not that easy actually. I really appreciate who live stream, the people. So it's not that easy. It's not that easy because I have to constantly be right, but then I have to talk as well. That's the problem. So these are new things to me. Hopefully, I overcome. I mean, good that in this market condition, didn't lose too much. I didn't that much, like I didn't lose any funded account. So that's the things. I still got my, sorry. Let me show you a little bit. Still got funded accounts. So I'm not unhappy about it. So we'll see like what we can do about it. We'll try back again. Okay, so this is the challenge. So until it's going to the payout, I'll try it, and I'm keeping it like a what is it called, like a accounting on this. If you, some people are following me on X, you can see that I'm putting it already how much cost is going until my payout. So is it like logical? Will we be able to manage that money back again? So this kind of things we'll do slowly. No rush. So now let's concentrate on the market. Okay. So yeah, today we'll try our best to concentrate. Let's see where the market is. So still the bullishness is there. So they've practically gone up there and then they came back to the new day opening gap and now they're trying harder. But as usual, my mind is saying should be bearish, but uh, we'll see today because this is actually ranging. If you see, like it's in the range. So from this area, I'm just observing because look, this gap is the last area. This candle, I'm still not sure. They've taken out this liquidity. Okay, so I mean, if you tell me this one is I'm shorting this one. Okay, I know it's like I should not do it. I'm a very impulsive trader, but my stop loss will be definitely on the rejection block on the top of that. So with one, I did it. Only thought that they taken out all these highs, and this candle closed down somewhere. It's not a good idea, but entry was not good. But it's still like this is the trade. So just to see if they can give 1-to-1 or something. But if they have to go fast. But they cannot go back anymore. But from there is like market didn't open yet. I'm already trading. You see? So yeah, if they, I'll take this loss, 50% of the week. So if they go down, they should go down all of this, truly speaking. This one they've taken out already, isn't it? Let me see. No, still the equal low is there. Hope they did well. If it is stopped out, I'll get a stop out and we'll reanalyze again. This trade I should not take it before the market open, but it is what it is. Yeah, it might stop me out. Yeah, got to stop out maybe. So these are the things happening for the last few days. I'm getting trapped just under. This one, yeah, stopped us out. And now maybe it will work. I'm shorting back again, okay? Because they've taken out the high. I'm gonna be on the top of that. Just the expectation is just taking the low. Because if they have to go low, they should have gone from here, but yeah. So this if they have to go down, they have to go down from here. Where they can go? Just like the new day opening gap, test it back again and then just do whatever you like to do. So low was 90. So 90 is the low. This is the new. All these things they should come. I don't know. I mean, if they go down quickly, but you don't know. They are doing everything. Okay, let's concentrate. So they trying to create a gap. Let's see if they can. They didn't do it. They're going up, stopping us out maybe. 930 price. They already traded. So yeah, they might go up back again. But it's all right. 930 price they traded. I'm not gonna look at that one. So this one is a kind of not order. This is not order block actually. I might get a stop out back again. Okay. This was the trade. They've taken out this low and they're holding, which is not a good sign. So let's see. Still under 930. That's my positive sign, I have to say. This market is so dangerous, and I'm trading FOMO as well. So this is the low testing. Yeah, stopping us maybe 930 back again. So they've taken out a little bit of liquidity from the downside. So they've taken out the high. Now 8:30, they're still holding. If they can close under this candle, then maybe it could work. Other than that, I don't see a sign. Yeah, they have to close under this one. Not a good trade. I might come out. Anyways, there is nothing to take the loss. The problem is like, hopefully I don't take that much loss today. Still holding. I think they're going up. They should not wait here that long. If they had to, they'd already taken out the high. I don't know why they're going up back again. If they taken out all this equal high from the top, this is just arrogance. They're going high. They still, do you see, like 9:30 price is not going nowhere. These things happening last few days. Feeling like coming out, but this one got. Let's let them stop me out. That would be better. Yeah, I think I'm getting stop out back again. Such a price. But I'm trading really bad. That's for sure. Okay, so that one I can tell you that, yeah, 9:30 open, so that now maybe stopping me out. Yeah. So 130 loss. Okay. It is what it is. We have to take it and then we'll see. So now they're back again, taken that high. Now let's see how they trade. Still showing their bullishness. So they've taken the high back again. Okay, let me concentrate on the higher time frame. Little bit. So they closed on the top of that. This candle, they traded that one. Okay, let them show us some sign, then we'll do it. $66. We're just doing nothing here. Today going high back again. Very, very interesting. Because I'm fixated into short, That's the problem. My complete mind went to like shorting the market. There's nothing else there. I'm shorting back again, okay? For some reason, I don't know why. Hopefully they make this one as an order block. Let's see if but they have to be quick. And my stop loss has to be on the top of this one. But only thing is that, they are not ready yet. But if they go down to take out some sort of, because it should have retraced down tiny bit at least. No, are they doing it? 9:30 price. Let's say 9:30 they came back again. They have to be fast. They didn't do. They're holding the price because there is like a 15 minutes gap there. Okay, they didn't go. They need to go fast. They have to go through this candle and close under. If they can, nah, they're not doing it. Another candle, maybe you have to check it because there is a 15 minutes gap there. They're holding this 15 minutes gap. So this is like a, just a, like a, what is it called? Another, do you see? I didn't take the money out because that area, it was like, if they break down, it will go down a little bit, but they didn't do it properly. So still holding. Next candle, let's say 36. They have to close down under this one, but this one I don't believe anymore. I'm gonna be out with whatever it is. It's alright, just fine. But now they created this one as a order block. Let's see. We'll do it one. Let's recover a little bit. This one, the 15 minutes midpoint is holding. Okay. So this one midpoint. But this candle will decide, where it is going. I'm reshorting back again, and I'm just feeling it. Like, not a good thing. The 15 minutes holding. But if it go stop me out, I'm gonna take loss on the top of this candle. Okay, another $36 will take loss. But this candle, how is trading? It looks like an indecision candle because they just doesn't want to fall. Because if they fell, they would have just gone through it. Still holding, still holding. See, if they now close on the top, I don't know what's gonna happen. But they now have chances of. If they close down on the top of that, that's it. That then is like 100%. I'm not sure actually. They need to. This candle cannot close there. If they close there, I'm out. They've taken out the high. Still trading on the top of 930. 19 second. Yeah, they're taking out high. Yeah, just take this stop loss back again. Yeah. So now, didn't stop me out yet. They will. Yeah. Okay. Back to the chart. $77. Okay. This candle tiny bit high, around 82, 80, 82, 80, 80. Okay, yeah. I just short back again. I'm gonna build up here because I want like a retracement. This candle, if they close down, I don't know, but it's not a good price to like area. They can easily go a little bit higher. Yeah, didn't do it. So no, they didn't do it. So it's fine. So now still chances of going up for a while maybe. They have to close. They need to close under this candle and under 930. They didn't do it. They should close under. Come on, close it. But they have to go under 930 because still they holding. Yeah, so this candle, they should not. This one I should not. Stop loss definitely on the top means, I mean, break even. No, don't not to lose anything. is and question is that this how this candle trade, can they go under 930? This is 42, with force they have to go. Now they're not doing it. It's fine. We'll not lose money here. This candle have to hold it. If they go under 930, I'm just observing 930, okay, because that 15 minutes gap is still holding. The 930 price, they touched it, they have to close. They just closed it on 930. That's the problem. They created a gap, but the problem is 930 price, they traded it back again. Anyways, what can I do? We got 1 minute left. We don't know which side they're gonna trade. 930 price holding. So $930 doesn't want to give up. This candle is a proper like 15 minutes candle. They made it indecision candle. Look, 930 is still holding. So they traded on the top somewhere like because I was thinking this high they created it. It's in London they created it. So that's why I was like believing it, but still, I mean, nasty price action. One more one more minute left. If they close under now, yeah, they closed it. So now they need to close it properly down if they need to go. So they close there. Now question is, yeah, they closed it under. So now I can maybe trust it for a while for it to. This market, how can you even trust them? So like if they now do something from there, what can we do? I mean, like, do I have anything to say? Do I have anything to say here? You tell me. What kind of thing is this? If this candle doesn't take it down, this market, how the trading? I should have added another one. All this low, they left it. This low I'm watching now. So here, what is it? 19. They've taken out all this low. I take my money out first. They'll go further with how they came out, but at least recover the sum of the loss. That was I didn't notice that I was not 2. From here I could have been 2. So now they traded the new day opening gap. So let's say how they behave from here, but I'm gonna reshort it if they go back a little bit higher. Where did it go? 33. Oh, I just from yesterday so much bad experience. So like the confidence little bit gone down. But this one they need to reach a little bit higher. Another candle, maybe next candle. Let me wait, because where they came, I should have started one from here, because if they go tiny bit high, let's see if they go higher, little bit higher, another tiny poke please to the 830 price, please. No, not gonna do that, man. Oh my God, look at this. Okay, let's try with one. I mean, how many days you gonna do that? This is 8:30 price somewhere here, eh? So you're saying they're not gonna take out these lows. There are equals lows there. They can play around. Where are these? These are here, around 0.5. So take profit is here, equal low. Just give us here, please. No, not gonna do that. Playing. Okay, like tiny bit, yeah, because it's a new day opening price, new day opening gap. Sorry, this one didn't fall. It's like so bad. Did you see? Like here they left it, so they came to the rejection block and just gone. I have to keep, but from there, how come they go up? You tell me. Anyways, I'm not gonna look at this one. They can do it. How they trading nowadays? They can do anything. So is under 0.0. What is the price? Is 90. Yeah. So 88 is basically 88. So 90 is here is midnight opening price. So they tested it before. They're gonna go away from here. They can, because there is a like a look. There is a big things here, and yeah, they can do it. It's all right. I'll keep my bearishness. Oh Lord, bearish. You want to be bearish? I should have added another one here. How they're trading. My goodness, these people, man. They're not normal people, isn't it? Should have added another one. Confidence broke down from yesterday. You're gonna fall. Okay. 1 hour, I don't know how they're gonna close down. If they go up, I mean, they should close down tiny bit more. It's already 40. 40. What they did. Really, my part of my heart said add some more, but truly speaking, they can go high even from here. How they're trading nowadays. Until they're creating an order block here, you cannot look at this price. 1, 2, 3, 4 bar and then gone high. I mean, like, come on. And if I add another one, you'll see that they will go down. I mean, I lost so much of my confidence from yesterday. How they're trading. Look at this. Is this good price? No extension, nowhere. It's just returning back again to where? Look, see, 9:30 price again. I'll short another one. It's fine. I'll take my loss somewhere here, and I'll take this loss and I'll say bye bye to this. They're just bouncing back from the new day opening gap. I never seen something like that. Only because they already created gaps, so it's like very dangerous. Now 9:30 price they came. If they don't fall now, it's not gonna be a good thing, because it's like already, what is it called? Macro time already started. Okay, the move, if it doesn't happen now, this is ugly, means proper ugly. Look at this. This is, there is a gap here. Oh, I came out with one. Sorry, I had to, because you know how they. Oh my God, what did I achieve? Nothing. Okay, now I'm. So there was a gap here. So they didn't inverted it. They need to close under this area. So if they don't, come on, close it. Close properly, man. Don't play around. You played for last few days. Yeah, now they close down. I don't know how they're gonna trade, because this one became now. Are they gonna go back? Look at it. My goodness, man. Should we trade? Yeah, today it will be problematic, because tomorrow is, you know what, NFP. They're bouncing back from here. Should I trade anymore? I should say, leave these things, mate. Very, very ugly price. They closed down back again under 830. They inverted the things and regaining that gap back again. What a ugly. This chart, I mean, I'm just forcing trade. But this one didn't fall tiny bit more. I couldn't. uh, Only problem is that they will stop me out and then yeah, they already traded on the top of 930. How do you like it? Then they created this one as an order block as well. I just don't believe anymore. Let me see. What is my? I don't want to be today like like yesterday. If they stop me out, I'll get a stop out. What the hell is that? Yeah, they will stop me out maybe. They already traded. What is it called? Why did I do? Which side I did flip? Yeah, they might stop me out. So I'll get a stop out. It's alright. Yeah, this is the 90% of it. 90. Yeah, my stop loss is on exactly on the top of 90%. If they think they're gonna go now, they traded 78. Yeah, these things happening last few days. It's became like when silver was very volatile, it was trading like that, and these things became like a penny stock. Yeah, it stopped me out. But I put it one tick on the top of that, maybe 90%. Where is it? Yeah, just 1 point. Is it gonna stop us out? If it stop us out, it's gonna stop us out. It's fine. I'll take the loss. Yeah. Now I'll go back to the what is it called? Drawing board. But it was my fault that I didn't take the profit on. But do you understand what I'm trying to say? Look at this. Look at this. When did you last see these kind of things? No, came out bang, 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 and then gone high. Created one, two gaps. There is no follow through. I mean, like, come on. Trading. Where are they going even? I don't even know. Let them do what they want to do. Now, look, see, how can you buy this one now? But this became bullish now. That's what I'm saying. I don't care. I'm gonna trade today what I see. They can extend wherever they like to extend. Okay, let's see what the ES is doing. What? ES is falling and then NQ is going up. Oh my God. Okay, NQ came to where? Okay, this is the area as well. NQ can struggle, but coming here and then after that falling, do you? I don't want to believe it anymore. Let's see. Let them trade for a while. But if you see ES and NQ, like you'll be laughing. ES traded under what is it called? A midnight opening price, and this one didn't even come to test the midnight opening price, so it's fine. If they want to play with us, let them play. So okay, let me go back to my higher time frame. Look at this. What's gonna happen next? Do you think they're gonna fall? Not really. This is what 15 minutes, isn't it? Yeah. So two minutes left. Let's see what they do. So this is London high. They're gonna make another high. Let them make it. But this area as well, there could be a chances, but shorting it will be, I don't know how to short it now. This one. This one shouldn't have gone that far. So it's almost 10 o'clock coming. They can retrace back to 66, that area. So then if they create an order block, I don't know, they can even fall from here. If they close under 9:30, then I'll think about it. There is like a gap here. Loss, you're not gonna leave me, yeah? I could have come out here and I would have break even after all these losses, but we have to trade good. ES is falling and NQ is going up. So is not, I don't know what's going on. I was thinking NQ would be weaker today. So now what? Now what? 1 minute left, yeah? Shall we try again? Shorting. This one, let's see if they create a gap here. But they already created it. I think I'm gonna re-short it. I don't care. Stop loss on the top of that, but it's not ready yet. Okay. Only to go to where 66. This gap here. If they give us now, but they have to be quick. Quack quack. It didn't go. They stopped here. I think I was expecting too much. I should have expect tiny bit less, maybe wanting, but they should come here at least. They should not, I mean, I should not say it. Come on, at least go down tiny bit more. No, 10 a.m. They can take the high and then after that they'll fall. Nah, should come out. Man, why did I take this trade? To take a little bit of loss, isn't it? If they can take this high now, and then they might fall. But I was expecting them to tiny bit do something, and then maybe go high. Come on. You're not gonna go deep, little bit deep maybe, tiny bit, sir. Little bit deeper, please. Oh Lord, nah, it's gonna give me loss now. Let's see how they trade, because they could take the high, yeah, and they will. So sad that they didn't come little bit down. Yeah, they're gonna take the high now. Today even I didn't even see like how I'm trading. I didn't even check my, what is it called, fast presented gap even. So that's how I'm trading. So yeah, 943. Why do I have to take this kind of trade? They'll take out the high, then you'll see. But if I further take a trade, let's say, why don't I put my stop loss there then? Like this high. So if they want to take the whole high, let them take it. 64, let's say 1 to 1 at least. Okay, so let's see. Even though they give me half, I'll take it. But this one is like a, I mean, what they did, they ES came back. ES came back to midnight opening price. So this one now, what they're gonna create? They came back to that 1 minute gap. If they gone a little bit down and then after that maybe I don't know. If they gone tiny bit down, I would be happy from this area maybe. Then they will come to like OT area, but I don't know why they didn't do deep little bit more. They could have done tiny bit more deep and then they could have gone high. No idea. But this one holding. Yeah. Didn't like it, man. Could have done tiny bit more deep. Don't take out this high. Do a tiny deep, please. Or shall we minimize our losses? As soon as I'll cut it, it will fall. This one, I'm cutting it. Sorry for that. Sorry. I'm cutting it. We'll get more opportunities. Because I trade well when the momentum is there, but the problem is that there is no momentum. Look, they just trying to go, not go. Yeah, look, they're taking out the high. What kind of trading I'm doing? I don't even know. I'm trading bad as well. Look, from here I'm trying to sell. When they gone high, why didn't I buy it from here? That's the things. The buying was more valid, but I was too much sure that they would come to there is a gap there. But that's what I'm saying, that they're not following nothing. This one. So I was demanding it to come here. ICT will say. ICT will be kicking me in my ass, like if he see me how I'm trading. And what they did, they basically rebalance it here. I mean, like, very bad trading. So now they're taken out today's high. NQ taken out today's high, London high, okay? So what they're trying to do? I'll wait today. I might even blow another account today. But today I don't know. My body is like completely given up. When you have in a losing streak, the losses will come one after one. That is, they say it like something like it all comes in threes. So these are the things. Where are they trying to go? No idea, man. 815, 29,000. That's the next area. Because 2882. Yeah, let them go. ES now picking up. NQ 28, 30, 33, 33. Go. So 907, okay. Let's say around 50 will give it a shot. around 50. Okay, let's see. Yes, came back. Okay, perfect. 33, 35, around 50. I'll get involved back again. Then after that, we'll see. Nobody should follow my trading because I'm not a like expert trader. Okay, I just like to. I mean, I can trade better than this, but please don't follow my things. Okay, because this is like a what is it called? It's not even a funded account. Okay, this is just like a practice account for me. Like lots of people will say, "Oh no, you why don't you trade with the paper trading?" I don't like to trade with paper trading. That's why this is kind of my demo account. So when I trade like for fun, this kind of things, because trading I like it, so I trade. You can see that I short it from prices, like let's say if it go to, I'm telling you that if it go to near 50, I might try another one. So these are like, I mean, it's fun as well. Like then if you have funded account, you can trade as well with that one and you can earn money. But I'm not a like a I'm not teaching anybody anything. So please don't copy my trade and you'll regret. Because I just trade quickly and then that's it. I just see what they do. Like you can say, oh, how you are that much desperate to short it. Like why you wanted to short it. So let me little bit quickly show you. Like, so this is the, let's say, daily. Okay, sorry, yeah, this is daily. Yeah, so daily price. Okay, so if you see like this area the trading right now, if I take the Fibonacci, let's say, did I select it? Look from here to there. Look, where are they now? 1.5 of this range. They gone down. So this is a area, they should react a little bit. Understand? Like they just what they did. Did you see? Like so, there's some. I trade like that. I find fun if the trade works from here. I mean, I would say okay. Now my analysis worked. So why these kind of things? You believe it? Look, see from this area. Let's say this manipulation leg. So let's say take the high. To the low. Look where they struggle. This leg was because of that. So that's how I feel. I might be wrong, okay, because this is just my observation, and I like to trade like that. Look, already 46. Okay, so the area. Let's see how they react. But this one I don't like it how they came. They can extend more because after two order block and then they went high. They can even fall from here. I don't care. So yeah, I think the market in that way. So you say, oh, there is no confirmation. How do you short? I short like that, but I might be wrong. I would trade better than this because I'm learning. So let's say, look, I was talking about 47 or 48. No? Look, already I would have 15 points because these are the area these are institutional price. What ICT told you. I told you before as well. Let's say stock market go 50, 100. These kind of areas they react. Sometimes they don't. Sometimes they go to 20. They didn't stop in 100. They'll go to 20 range. Sometimes they will go to a 50s range. So these are the area, I mean, there are reaction happen. So there's something I don't want to show you bad habit. Let's see the next 15 minutes candle how they react. We might get something. So yeah, here if I was not too much, arrogant, maybe I could have get something from there. Then I would not have a little bit bigger loss. So now I hope I don't make it bigger because like my mind is not 100% today. Because after that long of discipline, I just lost my mind a little bit. But it's all right. It's all right. We'll get it back. We'll learn new thing. I'll tell you what mistake I did it as well on that day. Quite a lot of mistakes. And today I'm doing the same thing as well. But today, if you ask me, do you understand that it was going high? No, look, what they were doing, you should avoid trading altogether from this kind of area. So what did I do? I get involved because 9:30, I like the price. Look, the 9:30 opened. What they did, the one candle, the next candle came back. So I was not happy with this retracement. I was trading short. They actually worked out until what time? So today's opening price. So then I was demanding it to fall from there, like this, and then they should fall there. I was expecting that one, but is this a market to fall? You think? They're just creating new high, creating new high, creating new high. But they will give up, but there is no other news. There is no news. Tomorrow there are NFP and nothing else there. Look, if you even see today's news came out, what was the news today? I think it was, what the hell is this? What is this jobless claim? Why not there? Don't fall now. But here, look, initial jobless claim is lower than they expected. So that means people didn't claim, that many people didn't claim, isn't it? So then unit labor cost is lower than what they're expecting. What does it mean? Maybe to me, I'm just saying, So this one, maybe they're paying less to the people, so that is not inflationary. The previous reading was 4.4. Now all of a sudden it's become 2.3. So then US continuous jobless claim, lower than they expecting. So that means less people, continually. So that means lots of people went back to job. So it's good news, isn't it? After all these things, they're all good news. So that's the things, So I don't know how to, because 11 o'clock Trump is talking today, I think. He will talk to the Brazilian president. And tomorrow is non-farm payroll. And then 10 o'clock, Michigan sentiment. Lots of things gonna happen. Look, now they reacted for something. I don't know what. Price was 57. Okay. What is that? Is there something? Some kind of a news came out for sure. Today I'm not reacting with your news, man. You go high, give us proper entry from a higher time frame, then I'll trade big. Look at this, bang, boom. How many points of this candle is? Look, almost 50 points. This kind of manipulation happened. So yesterday, look, when it was going like that, I was shorting it. Look what happened. The next candle, they're going up. So 50 pips of manipulation and going up. How difficult the market is. And this kind of spike happened, on the day before the non-farm payroll day. So whatever you do, like you'll get bang bang like that, and then finish. Your day will be finished. Let's see how we do. So the next plan is until 10:30, nothing to do. So just sit down and chill. So what they can do now, they can come up to this area, but I hope they create a gap here and they extend more, they create another gap. But ES is struggling. But ES should not stop like that. All of them, I mean, ES is trading under 930 price. Let's see if this one catch back. But both of them trading on the top of midnight opening price. Okay, let me come out. We are just observing price, okay? Nothing to do. I have to learn how to buy things as well for like this kind of situation when I understood that. Like, look, they came here and didn't take out this low. They left this low. I mean, you understand? I don't know what to say. Yeah, it can happen actually. I used to trade like with a better vision, like like now I know what I'm doing. I'm just because I'm live streaming, I just lost a little bit of my focus. I have to be focused back again. Okay, look here. This was the area they came. What time? They taken out all this low. Look, the equal lows. They came to the midnight opening price. So then when they gone high, they created this gap. So and they inverted this little, there is a little gap there. So if we consider this one, let's say I have to set up my chart. So if we come back this side, look at it. So what they did, they came to exactly that gap what I just marked it right now. Previously they came as well, look here, and then they went up from there. So now they came back to this area until they're closing under this area. This one is holding and this one is aligned with what? New day opening gap. So today's price. So do you understand? So this kind of area I should have come out, but this kind of area should be marked before. I should have marked it long time ago. But did I do that? No, I didn't do no research, nothing. So I mean, look, I took loss again. It is almost like I mean, this kind of like account, you got only $2,000 to play with. But when you have a negative, you completely get destroyed. That is the hard part of funded trading. Do you understand? Like, when you have a loss like that, then you're carrying it the next day. So then you have to make this money back and then create a little bit more money. Do you understand? So, and like that, you have to make 3,000. Then you'll pass the account. Then again, you have to do the same game. So your leverage is so like margin is very little. So basically, you have $2,000 they gave you, but $2,000, and then they gave you like bigger what is it called account. Let's say you can trade 4 mini with that. 4 mini, can you trade like 40 micro? What I did it yesterday, that's how I blown the account. But if I was trading with one, how I was doing it, like 1 1 1 2 1 2, like this one, I today I could have just come into break even. When if I came out here, even when I added another one, this deep when they did it, if I came out, I would be look here when I added another one because there was a gap here, there was a gap there. So when they came here, I added another one to short it. So when they came just here, if I came out, I came out with one, if you notice. So if I came out with my second one, I would be all right. But what did I do? I didn't come out. So then they gave me this loss. So this loss, when basically when they came out on top of this area, I should have get a stop out. That's one of my problem as well. I don't get a stop out. I just wait for the things to happen. Let me see what happening. Nothing happening. It's just crazy. Market just went bonker. Where is it price? 902 already. Yeah. So let them extend a little bit more. Um, okay. So yeah. So this one went to 97, but in NQ they reached to 902. From this kind of area, remember it a little bit earlier I was saying institutional price, they already creating something. When they're in all-time high, trusting them is very difficult. Look, they came to trade this little gap there. Only way to trade it, like if they let's say maybe take some liquidity out and they invert properly, like and then create an order block from 15 minutes chart. 1 hour, look what they did. They are here, so how can they be? Do you think there is a chance of like shorting? Up up to now, there is nothing. They might create another one next hour as well, maybe going high. I don't know. 1 minute, they now trying. I don't know how to short from here because there is no higher time frame, nothing. Just to short it. Yeah, not really. When I was talking, if I was not talking, I would have maybe tried from there, maybe to like get this retracement. But I was expecting it to go tiny bit higher, at least 20. Then is better entry. Yes, yes is in very low price. They didn't even reach to the 930 price, so they can easily go on the top of 930 price. What they left it, equal highs, all these equal highs are there. So if ES has to catch up NQ has to go higher. That one I'm feeling. It's really, really difficult. Okay, the market condition is not that good. It will come back. It will come back very soon, hopefully. But how they're trading, it's like it's just became a big boys game. It's not for us. The market is completely gone. Like I never seen something like that. So if you check it, like these are weekly chart, yeah. Have you ever seen some kind of a move like weekly move like that? Without any retracement. You see, even this one is just very highly volatile going up. They had some sort of a retracement, some sort of retracement. Look at this. I mean, does it make any sense? Okay, understand that the oil price is still high, is near 100. I mean, what they're doing, this is genuine manipulation. Absolutely no chance for a little people like us. But still, we have to come and then we have to try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks means 1.5 month. They're just going. But still, it was reasonable, like to understand. I mean, if you actually follow ICT way, Look, when they came here, you can see like where they come to this gap. Do you understand? Like I don't know what was this. I think I marked it from somewhere else. Yeah, this look. So if you check this one from here to there, okay. What is this happening with my mouse? So this gap, look. So this is the last gap. They closed it on the top and they taken out these highs. So these things become like a kind of a resistance. Normally supported resistance is on the top, top, this one, okay. But as we are following ICT, this is one of the best area to support. Look, they came back where they got supported. So, I mean, it all makes sense, but like the experience is so low. I noticed these things. Even that's why I marked it long time ago. And at that time, if you see my video, like at the time when I was doing the first few of my recording, I was talking about this area. If you check it, I mean, you can say, oh, like you are a losing trader. What are you talking about? No, but I talked about it. If you check it, my first few video, even I made a short about it as well. I think if you guys check it, there's a short video. I said maybe I said it like, didn't I tell you so? Something like that. So from there, if you think that okay, the market is not bearish, any sign of bearishness in the market, you think? No. So like this is the tariff low, tariff when President Trump he was elected, and then after that he was talking about this tariff. So this one I think was it tariff, yeah, yeah. And then after that he removed the tariff. This is the move. So I showed you a tiny bit earlier, like the if you take the Fibonacci from here to there, you can do a projection like with the what is the standard deviation projection, isn't it? That kind of standard deviation projection. Look, 1.5 and then this retracement. So now this retracement happened. Take this high and take this low. So you can project how far they can go. Look, it's 1.5. So they reached to a certain area already. They didn't give us a retracement at all. What do we think? Like, okay, they can highest maybe go to 29,244. Somehow they have to give us a retracement. So I'm saying like there are chances, we lose our hope. Like yesterday, if I was not that stupid, I could have just like keep my patience, isn't it? Just walk away. But this is us. We create problem. We got the problem of the discipline problem. Nobody else is there. It's we creating our own problem. It's not the market. Nobody else. So now what is it? 30. Okay, this is the 30 candle. I don't like it. So if they go down, I don't like. If they gave me a little bit of manipulation on the top, maybe if they created this situation, I would have trusted it. But the problem is that sometimes they do it in 29th candle, but they didn't take out the high. So I don't want to short it now. But this is the time you can demand a retracement. Let's see, but today is gonna be very difficult, okay? Because normally around after 10:30, the market will be crazy until tomorrow. This one could be a retracement, that retracement we are looking for, but if I would have believed it if they taken out some kind of a high, it can be a retracement. I might take loss and I'll go. To be honest, with this loss, maybe I'll finish today because I want to actually go to a payout. Okay, I want to because I was live trading. I little bit got carried away, and I was lazy as well. I didn't research too much. Like 2 days ago, I was trading. You see here, there, without noticing that okay, they're coming to new week opening gap. Sorry, new days opening gap. I mean, I didn't research properly. And then look, that 1 minute gap as well I was talking about. Did I mark it? No, because I'm very lazy. That is one of my problem. So if you see this low and this low, even they created a SMT with this one as well. I didn't notice. Look, see, I was demanding it. Like same thing happened yesterday. How when I lost it, I like 9:30 when yesterday this one. Look, so before the 9:30 open, if you check it, I'm showing it because there is nothing to say right now. So they're gonna create another gap here, hopefully. What is it called? 15 minutes. They're creating this gap. They already created this gap. They're creating this gap. Let them little bit extend it. They might give us a retracement up to one of these gaps. So then that one will trade. I hope so. But if there is no chance, I'll not trade. There's nothing to do today. I'll take the loss today. I have to show some red because I was trying to show all good things. So let me show you one thing. Just and then yesterday's price. Sorry. So if you see yesterday here, what the hell is that? Why is not cutting it? Okay, sorry, select bar. This one, eh? So look now, this is 9:30 price. This one open here, isn't it? So this candle when they close there, I was talking about. Let me cut it. Okay, sorry. I said, oh, they already created an order block. Here, series of two down close candle, and they created order block. So from there, I was still shorting. I was first of all, I was shorting from here. So from here, they shorted. Like this candle gone down is the Judah swing they created. If you see from here, there was like a big consolidation. So look, there is like a kind of where is the last down close candle? I mean, like there was like a kind of consolidation around here. Okay. So if you see when the run started, this run, this is the breakaway gap they created, and they never came back. Yeah. So they're coming down, so they can come down up to there, no? So this is the swing they did and closed it on the top of that. Look back again. So they closed back again. Look, one candle closed on this gap and then another candle closed on the top of this. What it became? Completely bullish. What I'm doing? I'm trying to sell. Do you understand the problem here? That's what I was trying to say. What the hell is this? Anyways, fine. So then after that, when these things happen, you have to be cautious. I shouldn't be cautious. So the next candle come down around this area or something, I should find out like, what they do. Rather than shorting was fine from there, okay, for a while. But then you lose control if you trade like that. So what the next candle did, look, they taken out the high. They traded 830 price. So like how you do mistakes. Sorry, this one is now in 1 minute maybe. Look, they came to trade the opening price of that one and they've gone high back again. So yeah. So the next candle, what they did, they came to 930 price. And they came back again. Here I traded somewhere. I think this one maybe the fast presented gap. If I go to 1 minute, maybe you can see better. Is it yesterday's 1 minute? Yeah, yesterday's 1 minute. Look here. So this was the fast presented gap, I think. Yeah, this was the fast presented gap, 50%. When they came down, maybe this candle. I completely forgot actually. Yeah, this one, when they came down, I just came out here. When they came down here. Remember I was shorting? So I came out and then I was sitting down. Then I got involved back again. I was shorting from these two gaps, So they already, what is the overall market was bullish. So what did I do? I was trying to sell from this one. And I said, when they stopped me out here, I said, oh, I'm happy that they stopped me out. But then they didn't even take out the high. If my stop loss was there, then I came out manually. Still, I would be break even. But this move, when they're coming here, these are not important at the time because the higher time frame is already bullish. So what they did, they came here, they manipulated more, and when they came back here I'm still shorting, but they didn't even take out this low. Still the overall market is bullish. So then they crack down here. Look, this area. If I talk to you, yeah, exactly here, what did I do? I saw this one and I started shorting it back again, only hoping. And hope is not a strategy that they will fall down. Why? Because they didn't trade this one. But overall, what is the higher time frame narratives? They're going high. Look, they just came to just retest this 930 back again. That's it. That's what they did. And then they have this gap. They have this gap. And they created this order block. They didn't even break this order block. So if they closed under this price with the body, then I would say, okay, they're retracing back, maybe could short it. These are the problem. So if you see from here, like, look, here is closed there, still I'm not bullish. So that's what happened. So later on, what happened, because I don't know why this one is just going like this. So I gone out, after that, I closed my streams with 300 loss. So then I think I came back around 1230, this area. So this one, look. So what they created a gap here around 830, yeah. So they are already on the top of 930 price. If you go there, that's what I did. Look here. So this one is a 15 minutes gap. I'm not saying about the current price. You'll see a little bit later. Nothing happened. It's not gonna happen now. How they created it. Let's go to 1 minute, okay? So what did I do here? So when I came back in the evening, so I went to outside to water my plant. So then I came back and then I found it around here. It was breaking down without checking the higher time frame. I was shorting it from here. Okay, perfect. I got it. I got some. I recovered some loss. I had 300 and something loss at the beginning. Then I was trying more, and then I made it 400 something loss. So I couldn't accept it because I was all green for 12 days. So then I shorted. Okay, fine. So when they came back here, I shorted. I remember. Fine, I shorted it because I was hoping this one, then this one. These are all equal low. I said, okay, they're taking it down, and I recovered it almost 230. Only 200 left at that point. You know what I did? I came out here, and I didn't even mark this one. This one was not there at all. You know what I did? I'm further shorting it from this area. Trust me. Not this area, sorry. So I was waiting. Then I said, okay, they created more gaps, so maybe they will go high here. So look, I was trying to feed it from here to there. I mean, like I did all sort of things, okay, because then you don't analyze it. The higher time frame, you completely forget about it. Then what I was doing, when they came here, I started adding 1, 2, 3 like that, and I became like over leverage all my left. So that is the main problem. If I even take a trade and I put my stop loss, what I would lose? Maybe a few hundred, 100, not even 100 from there. But if they worked out, I would get 1 to 2. But I was like, no, I have to get it. I have to make it green. I have to show it to the people. So bang, 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 4. So like 40 micros, yeah. Then I took loss. Definitely, I'm gonna, because higher time frame will be going high. So then I took the loss, the 130 open. It was going high. But if I waited, I could have easily done the things. They said that when they taken out this high, even though I'm bearish, I could have make money. But I have to wait for the time. Time is very important. I was telling myself when I was outside, I said, okay, maybe I'll try after 1 o'clock. Okay, so then 12:30, this one, when I saw it, I said, maybe sometimes the run start from 12:30 as well. So 12:30 they were here. So but without thinking that did they take any liquidity, have they done anything else? Nothing, just wanted to short. That's what I did. So anyways, that's how but if I didn't get over leveraged, I could have still have my account. I had more than 1500 from there, so I could have taken a 400 or 500 loss. Then I could have just come back another day. So I mean, but did I do that? No. So these are the problem. Okay, so we are our problem. Hopefully will do well. I mean, in future. So now they taken out the high. What is the candle? 42 candle. Okay. So now they created order block. Part of me saying short it for a while, but uh, let's see. 2 minutes left. What the next candle will do? If they come around here, I'll short it. I don't care. If they reach to 14, it would be nice if they reach to 14 means 20, I think. Let's see. I'll take a shot, but they have to come a little bit up. But still, bullishness didn't finish, yeah, because higher time frame didn't tell you anything. I'm just trying to get a retracement. Okay, maybe this candle a little bit up, little bit up, little bit up. They did it already. If I have to short, I should short it from here, and my stop loss definitely has to be on the top of that. I'm just looking for a retracement because next candle open, they can even take out this high as well. But then I'll get a stop out. Okay, only to get just quick something here if they come. Okay, if they don't come, just what? It's 1, 2, almost 2. This low. Uh, because the problem is that next candle opening, I don't know where they're gonna open. That's the problem. They have to be quick. At least this is a no wick candle. One gap, two gaps here. At least this gap they should trade. But after this trading this one as well, they can go higher back again. Look, they don't have speed. So next candle opening up, shorting is very difficult. Trust me. Nah, still not ready yet. I might come out. Still not ready yet. Do you see? Like there is no follow through. So one candle, two candle, three candle already. So they are trying to come back again. Ugly price. Normally, what they would have done, like let's say they follow it, they should have come here to trade one of these and then they could go up. Look what they're doing. So this kind of price section should I try? As I'm like live streaming, I have to take a trade. This is I have to. I'm gonna really bit think about this kind of things. Look, this gap already 1, 2, 3 candle. They already reached here back again. They can easily invert this one and they can go high because the next candle is 55, 57. So yeah, done. So they came to trade this one. They can take this high and then maybe later on, I don't know what they can do. I was only expecting them to like trade this one of this gap. So they didn't do it. See, I have to take another loss. It's fine. Take a loss. Because they will take this high and they will trade maybe 25, 20, 33 or even 950. Overall, yeah, they're coming. Coming to get us. Let's get stop out. But this is not a good trade. So after this candle, I could have just like let's say do it. Not after this candle means like 15 minutes candle open, let them extend tiny bit, and then I could have done it. But this is the problem of this whole things. You know what I'm doing? Look, see, so unnecessary taking a trade, isn't it? Just to be like on the trade. It's all right. We'll get it. So this didn't work. So what I'm doing, I'm pattern trading because it's an all-time high. I don't even know. So they created a gap. I tried it from there. I took this stop loss. So there would be a trade to retracement from somewhere. So now where they came, uh, 15, 17, 18. So they a little bit more high. Let's say I'll retry again. So now E has taken out some sort of a high. Or maybe we wait for years to take out the high. Problematic, isn't it? What this one giving now retracement? Come on, man. If I enter, it will go up back again. You see. Seriously, man. No, don't go. Completely don't go. See? So now if I enter, I couldn't have entered. But the thing is that what they're doing, they're coming back to that 15 minutes gap. Only I can anticipate. But the problem is that they already traded what the area I wanted to trade, this area. So now the entry is FOMO entry. I mean, because ES was trying to take out the high. Okay. No, I think I can short it until this area, but should I? They taken out the high, they taken out the high, ES taken out significant high, ES didn't do nothing, but ES inverted as well. Yeah. So that trade I took it. If I didn't take that trade, I could have now taken this high trade and I would have reached quite a lot of things. This is the things. You know what? I'll not ruin the whole thing. Look, 50 points retracement. So now they created gap. Let's see. Shall we trade with from the gap? Two gap they created. You're saying it should work. Let us build one. Yeah, I'm gonna trade it. I'll be very big over leverage here. Yesterday I was over leverage. I'll go even over leverage more. Just only trying to trade until 60, 61. If they go up, we can get toasted. So don't take it. Two gaps there. They taken out this high. I'm just only thinking they will come to 60, 60 around this area. But if they are bullish, they could stop here as well. Why I'm saying it? Look, what is it? Oh, I didn't come out yet from this one. This is just a trade, okay? So like they came to here, look this one. So this is the last gap. So they didn't close under yet. So that risky. So don't follow that trade, okay? Because it's gonna be risky. I'll try more from here, okay? Because the ES need to go more higher. So that's what I'm saying. So you see, I'll have a loss here. But what I'll do, I'll add more from little bit up, tiny bit up from this area. This is like breaker block area. But that will be like yesterday's kind of trade, okay? So here, I added another one just because I know it's wrong, okay? Don't do that. I had another loss, okay? So I added another one. Yep. I'm just gonna, if they retrace, I'll try to come out if I can. But I think I got toasted. They already got me, okay? Yeah, they got us. So that's where the problem is, okay? So I got tilted and I'm just continuously doing mistakes, okay? This is the last gap, and I think I'll take a loss. What I think it's already a loss because ES didn't finish here, okay? So this kind of trading is one of the bad trading, okay? So like I have to minimize the loss as much as I can if they give me any chance. Only what they didn't do, just didn't come to. So like now they created a gap here. I'm not in anymore. They might fall, I don't care. But this is the last gap. They can even fall. So These are the problem. Okay, now look, already 236 I took loss. So when you don't trade with the order flow, these kind of things can happen. And I'm trying to continuously trying to pick the top. Another classic mistake. But today I'm gonna, if it is like loss, I'll keep it as a loss because I need to see some green. What is it called? Let's say this one. This one need to be, let's say red. So all green, green, green should not be like, then try to recover it back again. Challenge is different kind of challenge now became, okay. So we'll see. So they have to take the high of ES as well, maybe. Yeah. See the mistake I'm doing. So when they do something like that, is look, it's taken out high, taken out this low. This is not a market structure shift. Why not? Because look at this equal low. So that means they've taken out this low. There was one gap, two gaps. So if you go here, so look, this gap, this is the last gap. So the body didn't even close there. So even I told you that this is like a bad trading. So what did I do? I was FOMOing. So same mistake again. So look at this. 934, 940, 50. Proper bullish. Any news came up? Rally base rally. Where did it go? 38. No retracement, okay. Without any retracement. Don't follow any of my trading. Now I'm like not in a good head. Never ever follow my trading. But this kind of part, I need to improve quite a lot. So this is the lesson I'm learning from this anything what I'm doing right now. This is trapping short. Every single time they're doing it. Look, they're reaching certain stage and then pulling back, and then again they're going up. Look, again created gap. These are like for pattern trader, like what I'm doing right now is like very bad. So you can say, oh, let me short it, but 11 o'clock is coming. ES didn't take out the high yet. Today's high. Yeah, they got further to go. Yeah, I think
11 a.m.
what I'll do, like 11 o'clock already. So another bad day of trading. So hopefully I'll get it back, and we'll try to recover some of the loss. But then from the next week I'll try to come with better planning and things like that. But I traded really, really bad this week, so I'll keep it as it is. So look, this one I didn't take it. I got my retracement, but it's all right. I'm really not thinking properly. So after this loss, but from the honesty, I'm coming back and trying to put my journey in front of you. Okay, so I know you can think that whatever you can think, because I never live stream. So this is like a it was like it made me proper stress. So hopefully I'll get used to it, that, and we'll do better. You have a nice time and hope you do well. And by saying these things, I'll leave you, and then you trade safe. I have to say, like, and we'll get back. We'll try to get back next week. We'll try to come with better discipline and routine. Let's see what we can do. I don't know about this account, but uh, for sure, from next week, whatever I'm doing, I'll try to do better than this. So until that, I'll see you. I hope to see you tomorrow. Let's see. If I don't see you, then I'll start from Monday back again. Okay. Take care, and take good care of you. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.